friends, welcome back to my channel Harji Creations. In this video I would like to describe a very easy knitting stitch pattern. Friends, it is a broad stitch knitting pattern. From the right side it looks like this, and from the wrong side it looks like the same. So it is identical on both sides. It is reversible. Friends, this pattern can be used for making any knitting project like scarf, shawl, jacket, sweater, pullover, cap, socks, etc. Friends, it is only one row repeat knitting pattern and stitches needed for cast on are the multiple of 2. So let's start the tutorial. Friends, before starting the tutorial, if you really like my tutorial, then please hit the like button and also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive the notification of the upcoming video. Friends, please also share my video with your friends in your groups. Thank you and keep supporting me. Friends, I have cast on 28 stitches on my needle, 28 multiple of 2. So let's start the pattern. First row, right side. The pattern is knit to 1 stitch from below, from here. Knit to 1 from below. Now slip the stitch. Yarn in front, purl 1 stitch. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and repeat pattern is yarn in back, knit to 1 stitch from below, from here like this, and purl 1 stitch. One more repeat, knit to 1 stitch from below and purl 1 stitch. Knit 1 stitch from below and purl 1 stitch. Knit 1 stitch from below and purl 1 stitch. Knit 1 stitch from below and purl 1 stitch. In this way we will complete our first row by applying the pattern knit 1 from below and purl 1 stitch. So let's complete this row by a pattern knit 1 from below and purl 1. So friends, our first row has completed. Friends, we will repeat this row in the whole pattern up to the desired length. So I hope you will like my video. Thank you for watching my video and enjoying knitting with us.